Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer activity history into Dynamics 365 detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer activity history into Dynamics 365, begin by logging into your Dynamics 365 account. Navigate to the settings menu by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Select Data Management from the drop-down options. In the Data Management section, click on Imports. Click the Import Data button to begin the upload process. Choose your activity history file from your local system. Make sure the file format is compatible, such as CSV or Excel. After selecting your file, click Next to proceed. On the Map Fields screen, align the columns in your file with Dynamics 365 fields. This step ensures that your data will be correctly transferred. Once the mapping is accurate, click Next to continue. Review the summary of your import and confirm that the details are correct. If everything looks good, click Submit to start the import process. Dynamics 365 will process your import in the background. To check the status, return to the Imports section. Here, you can see the progress and any errors that may have occurred. If there are errors, click on the notification to download the error report. Correct the errors in your original file as needed. After making corrections, repeat the import process. Monitor the status until all activity history is successfully imported. Once completed, navigate to the Activities view in Dynamics 365 to verify the data transfer. You should see all your imported activity history organized and accessible. If everything appears as expected, your transfer is now successful. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.